good day and Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. I am Apollo Ashlinor with my videographer Sander James Camarin. So today I'll be talking about information technologies issues in our society. So we have three major issues in our society in the Philippines. So first one is fake news. The second one is cyberbullying and the third one is digital addiction. So para sa akin, ang IT issues ay parang isang malaking polusyon sa internet. So the internet is like a huge city, maraming maganda at maraming magagandang opportunities. Pero ang fake news, cyberbullying, and digital addiction ay parang isang basura na kapag pinabayaan natin ay maaaring maka-apekto ito ng malaki sa ating lipunan. So just like how we clean our surroundings, kailangan din nating linisin at ingatan ang ating digital world. Technology has a big influence on our lives and on our society. Nasa atin na ito kung paano natin gagamitin ito, para ba sa kabutihan o para ba sa problema. So, and that's all. Thank you and thank you for watching.